I'll find you. I'll find Assalamu alaikum ninjas and welcome back, Ninja Muhammad. Check it out what I have for you today from ALLPOWERS, a mini portable power station, the S1500 model with the 1500 watts output power, hence the title itself. Beautiful, around 1000 watt-hour battery capacity, in 3 hours fully charged. App support, guys, 11 outputs, so 11 different devices can be charged at the same time. And I love it. It's not that heavy, guys. It's not that heavy. Even this kid next to me, man, from elementary school can handle this small power station. In the background, we have a solar panel. You can buy these two products for around 850 bucks with the discount coupon, guys. The regular price is around 1,100 bucks. So be smart and use my codes in the description. Let's now jump into this video, outdoors and indoor tests. Enjoy.
Imagine having the power to fully charge your devices in just 3 hours. That's right, the ALLPOWERS S1500 power station is occupied with the super fast charging capabilities that combine a 300 watt AC input with a PD 100 watt USB-C input, ensuring a lightning fast full charge. Plus, when you're out in the wild, the S1500 can harness a stable 300 watt solar power input with the MPPT optimization. Not to mention, you can also recharge it using your car's outlet or a generator. Versatile and efficient, that's the S1500. Are you ready to power up all your devices and appliances no matter where you are? The ALLPOWERS S1500 has got you covered with its impressive 11 ports. Whether you are camping, hosting parties, fishing, or dealing with unexpected power outages, this powerhouse is here to serve. With 4 AC outlets, 3 USB ports, 1 PD fast charging port, a car outlet, and 2 DC ports, there's room for everything you need. Its robust 1500 watt power and a whooping 1090 watt-hour battery capacity mean you can run various devices for hours on end. Need to keep that fridge running? No problem, the S1500 can handle it. Whether you are at home during an unexpected outage, exploring the great outdoors, or on a road trip, the ALLPOWERS S1500 stands as your dependable off-grid power source. With its array of charging options, you'll never have to worry about being left in the dark. This power station adapts to your lifestyle and ensures you are always connected. Safety is a top priority, and the ALLPOWERS S1500 power station makes this seriously. Its advanced battery management system BMS monitors every aspect of the device, safeguarding it from potential risk during day-to-day operations. With S1500 you can have peace of mind while enjoying the convenience of portable power. Camping in the wilderness or facing power outages can be a challenge, but the S1500 comes prepared with the 2 LED flashlights emitting 2 watts of light. These built-in flashlights provide a reliable source of illumination when you need it most. No need to fear the darkness, the S1500 has you covered. Enhance your power station capabilities with the ALLPOWERS 200 watt portable solar panel, a marvel of efficiency and convenience. With up to 22% efficiency and a lightweight design, the solar panel offers quicker device charging and easy portability. Its unique phone remote control via the ALLPOWERS app, along with the Bluetooth compatibility, elevates your power experience even further. The ALLPOWERS 200 watt foldable solar panel is your perfect companion, compatible with a wide range of portable power stations on the market. Its durability, waterproofing, and user-friendly foldable design make it an ideal choice for any outdoor adventure, and with various connector options including MC4 to Anderson and MC4 to DC, setting up is a breeze. In conclusion, the ALLPOWERS S1500 power station and its incredible solar panel counterpart are more than just accessories. They are essential companions for your trips, camping endeavors, and even at home. Boasting remarkable specifications, impressive power output, and unbeatable reliability, this dynamic duo ensures you're never caught unprepared. The price-to-performance ratio is unbeatable, making the S1500 a true game changer in the world of portable power stations. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you found this information helpful and exciting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech reviews, travel adventures, and innovative product showcases. Until our next thrilling tech journey, stay cool, stay charged, and remember, the future is powered by ALLPOWERS. Ma'as salama, and catch you in the next episode.